that bike life shit, though.
Yo, we got that shit in, bro.
Let me front flip off this bitch. Do it right now.
What you saying, Sammy? What you saying?
Girls with the nails done. I like the girls with the nails done. Girls with the nails done. I like the girls with the nails done.
Dude, I don't want one of these. I like this bike. Yo, this might be my new favorite bike, guys. Woo! Holy. And you were keeping up, man. Applaud you for that one. I'm loving this bike, guys. It's fast, it wheelies. Nice.
Back to me. So these are nice ass bars.
Yeah, they are nice.
Sheesh, that thing's crispy, dude. My boy cashed out on the fast. How you feeling?
I feel like $1 million. Feeling great.
Got a little blocks on there or what?
I don't know. I ain't picked it up yet.
I mean, hey, it's ready. 3, 2, 1. It's a different ball game. It's a different ball game. Yo, I wanted to check out this 80cc Crew 29-inch bike. Tony, how do you feel about this? Would you buy this over in Sarah?
Hell no.
Dang.
I mean, that shit's raw, don't get me wrong. Shout out Gordo, but...
The welds look good so far. Looks solid. It's got the rubber mounts. I low-key want to build one of these. Currently at Bicycle Bike Shop, and I just got a full tune-up on my fast ripper, guys. I will be taking this bike to Ebro for the New York ride out. I want to give this thing some fresh goodies. I went ahead and slapped some TNT M80 rims on there, as well as I got my brakes bled, and I got some new brake pads, you guys can see. So, and I got a new bottom bracket. This bike pretty much just got a fresh tune-up. I'm gonna have Ride Out Supply make me a new sticker kit probably, or I might just pull the stickers off and run those stickers. I don't know yet. But I like the black rims instead of the white wheels. I felt like the white wheels just was always getting too dirty. So I went ahead and went with the black wheels. And shout out to my boy, J-Mall. I'll leave his Instagram up on the screen, fixstar_J-Mall. He is the guy that built my rims, and he did a good job for his first time building a set of rims for me. He didn't let me down, and then I had Bicycle go ahead and true them for me. So guys, if you need your rims trued in your local of South Florida, hit up my boy J-Mall. But guys, check out this. What do y'all think? Should I have left the white wheels, or y'all like the black wheels? I am gonna try to find a black seat post, and I do have a black stem that I'm gonna throw on there just to get rid of the mismatched colors. But overall, I'm loving how this build came out. Dude, this bike just puts a big smile on my face. Like, honestly, it's riding so smooth. I'm super happy with the tune-up job on it. Yes, sir, what's goody? And yeah, man, I can't wait to be cutting up through the pack in New York on this bike, man. This bike is my cut-up machine, one of my favorite bikes. I'm happy.